In a quiet mountain village, surrounded by misty peaks and dense pine forests, lived a young artist named Elio. The village was peaceful, but its people were burdened by hardships, often too focused on survival to appreciate beauty. Elio, with his bright eyes and calloused hands, believed in the power of art to bring light to the world. Elio spent his days painting vibrant murals on old walls, hoping to bring joy to his people. However, many villagers saw his work as unnecessary. Art doesn't feed the hungry, they would say. Despite their words, Elio continued. But deep inside, doubt started creeping into his heart. One day, an unexpected storm hit the village, damaging homes and leaving the streets in ruins. The people felt hopeless. Seeing their despair, Elio took his brushes and began painting, not just for beauty, but to tell a story of resilience and hope. His murals depicted their struggles, their strength, and their unity. As days passed, something changed. People began gathering around Elio's murals, finding inspiration in his art. They started helping him paint, adding their own touches. The village, once dull and weary, transformed into a place filled with colors, laughter, and hope. Elio's art didn't just decorate walls, it changed hearts. The villagers, once skeptical, now saw the power of creativity. Elio realized that art wasn't about escaping reality, but about transforming it. He had found his purpose, and in doing so, he had helped his village find theirs.